how to download all your Snapchat memories at once. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your memories from the Snapchat app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So you can back up your memories from Snapchat by downloading them easy. First thing we need to do is open up the Snapchat app, then select your profile icon on the top left. Once on your profile, select the settings gear in the top right. And in the settings, scroll down a little bit until you get to app and privacy and select My Privacy and Data. From there, select My Data. It's going to load the data available for download screen. And all we need to do is find Export Your Memories. Now, if you want to only download and export your memories from Snapchat, you could select Request Only Memories, but you can also download things such as your spotlights, your chat history, any of this information, and then select Next. But I'm going to do Request Only Memories. Then give it a time frame for when you want to download your memories. If you want everything, select all time, then scroll down and make sure that you have the correct email address here. It's going to email you a link that then you can use to download your memories. So go ahead and select submit. It'll then show you that your export is in process and that it's creating a file that you can download from. So just wait for the email. You can also just go back to the My Data screen in the settings, and it's going to show you that you currently have an export in progress. And if that is available for download, you just come back and select it, and then you'll download the memories that way. So that's how you download all of your memories at once on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.